Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu, so let's get right into it. And before I do, let me just note that I am using a Viral Talkie article for this. Make sure to check it out if you have any other questions. However, the instructions are very simple to follow, so let's get right into it. And yeah, the reason I'm using an article for this and not showing you myself is because I cannot use Temu from my country, and I don't have an account, can't show you pretty much anything. So let's get right into it. It's very simple to follow and very well made. So let's get into it. Step 1 is to visit the website or the app and log into your account. Then navigate to your profile tab, which is located in the account settings section. And once you're in your profile tab, you need to look for payment methods or payment settings. Once you're there, just enter that section, and there you'll see one-click pay as an option. Just click on it and you should see a cancel button or a similar button to disable one-click pay. You want to click on it and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to proceed with canceling one-click pay. What you want to do is just, of course, confirm your decision, click confirm, and that is pretty much it. After canceling one-click pay, you will no longer be active for your account, and you will need to manually enter your credit card information for each purchase. And that is pretty much all there is to it. As I've said, it is a very simple process. Once again, visit this article if you do wish to search some other things, and if you have any other questions. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.